Hello my people, welcome to my channel. This is unboxing video. I ordered few skincare products from Amazon online. Like I ordered face wash from Aha Glow, and then Dr. Sheth's body lotion, and then sunscreen. Let me show you the products. Okay, so the box is open. Here we go. Here's the product. So the first one is Haldi and Hyaluronic Sunscreen from Dr. Sheth. So I've heard a lot about this product. So wanted to try it, and I ordered it for my skin. I have this combination skin, and then this is the body lotion which I have been using from last 6 months, and it is going good on my skin. So they have got good range of products. This is the face wash which I have been using since last 5 years. This was recommended by my dermatologist in Bangalore, and this is a bottle cleaner for my baby. So from Mother Sparsh, this is really good.